Is it going? Oh, hello. Hello, my name is Akos. Someone knows me as Andres. I'm a Hungarian chef living somewhere in Spain between Malaga and Marbella. And I'm also a private chef, which means I go to other people's home to cook for birthdays, for weddings, all kind of events. And today in this video, I'm going to show you an easy cooking tutorial. We are going to make something which I like a lot, some short rib tacos. It's kind of Mexican recipe, but I couldn't say this is the authentic way. Okay, it's always my style, the recipe. So we have some beautiful short rib, a beautiful tomato, avocado and mango, lime, red onion, and these are our basic ingredients. And first at all, I'm going to make a spice mix for the rib.
So let's start with some white pepper. We add some white pepper, this gives nice flavor. Then my very favorite, the cinnamon. This is a barbecue hint. Then some cayenne pepper, which gives a little bit of spiciness. And smoked paprika or pimiento de la vera, very typical in the Spanish cuisine. Some garlic powder. Garlic is also a very basic in the Spanish cuisine, used for a lot of recipes. And a good amount of salt. Gently mix all together and let spread all over our meat. Look at this beautiful spare rib. This is a very meaty one, a fresh one, a nice one, a juicy one. Touch gently the meat, grab all over the spice mix. Turn it and let's put on the other side as well, while we can see this nice beautiful piece of meat. Oh yeah, I love it. Who else love it? So once we have the meat covered with the spice mix, let's proceed with some aluminium foil. By the way, I want to enjoy the opportunity to tell you to stay until the end of this video, because at the end I will tell you a cooking secret. Yes, you hear good. I will reveal my secret. When we put all the foils, we put the baking sheet, we put the rib, a little bit of olive oil, and let's wrap it. Let's wrap it properly before we put in the oven. When you are in this section, you also had to turn on the oven to 180 Celsius degrees, conventional heat. So when you had properly wrapped the meat, put in a baking tray and let's go into the oven. Okay, while our meat in the oven, let's proceed with the garnishes. We have an avocado. This is the way how you cut the avocado, and then you scoop out the meat. Slice it like this, and then the contrast side, and then dice it. You see how easy? Just like this. Put it in a bowl. Let's do the other side of the avocado. Horizontal, vertical, and dicing. Let's cut some lime. In South America they call it lemon. Put the lime juice on the avocado, and this will help us to prevent from browning. Some salt, some olive oil, and like this it keeps tasty and fresh the avocado. Next thing is an onion, a red onion. We are going to make a marinated red onion. Very typical for taco. This is the way how we are going to cut the onion. And slice, chop, chop, chop. Did you check which is the way we cut the onion? Yes, that's the way. Put it in a bowl. Put some apple cider vinegar. I like this vinegar because this is a light vinegar, not too strong. It's is gentle to eat, some salt, and leave it to marinate while we are making the meat. Next thing is a mango. We cut the meat off and same as the avocado, scoop out the meat. We are going to make an easy peasy mango puree. No need any blender, no need nothing, just the spoon and the fork. Take the fork, the drawer, and do as you do a scrambled egg. Just scramble a little bit. This mango is so mature, is so sweet, is ready to eat. Look, and this we have it done. Last thing is a tomato. This is a pink tomato. This is one of my favorite tomatoes. You can buy it almost in any supermarket in Spain. This is a sweet tomato with a very fresh taste, with a nice meat. And same as the avocado, I'm going to dice it into small pieces. I enjoy this opportunity to tell you that all of my recipes are easy to find anywhere in Spain because I make it with common ingredients. So wherever you are, you go to the supermarket, you go to the grocery store, and you can buy all the ingredients, even on the market. So we got some corn tortillas. If you don't like corn or you don't find actually corn, you can substitute to wheat tortillas. Why? The meat is done. We have a good 90 minutes past and we can proceed to open, and this is what we have: a nice piece of spare rib, a barbecue spare rib, amazingly flavored. Look at this, makes my mouth watering. Let's turn and let's wait 5 minutes to cool down, to rest a little bit. We are going to proceed to remove the bones. Let's grab 2 napkins and you grab the bone and just easily turn it out from the meat. When we have the half of the meat done, let's cut it. Look at the juiciness of the meat. Very nice. You see how much meat come out from our rib? This is what we want. We're going to slice it, chop it a little bit. This is between the halfway of a pulled pork and the roasted meat. This is not a pulled pork, but not a roasted meat. This is exactly the point what we are looking for. A little clean. Always keep your kitchen clean. A little bit more of juice. Let's toast the tortillas. A hot pan. I'm using this pancake pan. Very good. And just 10 seconds each side to toast a little bit. Important to have the pan hot. Let's make the tortillas. We put some meat, not too much. We don't want to put too much filling. We want to close, we want to grab the tortillas. Do not put too much filling. Let's put the ingredients together. We put some tomato and marinated onion, and this is one way of the tortilla, of our taco. The other taco is also meat, not too much again. Put some mango puree, just natural. And then we are going to put some avocados. The good thing of this, that contrast of the sweetness of the mango and the acidness of the lime with an avocado. That's what we are looking for. When these two flavor meet, it's making in the mouth an absolute pleasure. Let's do the other one also of the taco, the tomato and onion one. And with these tacos, we have a portion done. That's it. Easy, isn't it? Just a homemade taco, very delicious. 2 different versions. Look from closer. How colorful. More color, more flavor. Let's taste it. Mmm, delicious. And you see how juicy is it? Like it. And as I promised, I'm going to reveal my secret. Do you remember the part with the foil? Yes, this part. Close properly your foil to make a pressure inside your cooking, and this is how you achieve this juiciness. Bye!